Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this video is about the Control Key and the Shape tool when you have a rectangle. Let me make this rectangle a little bit smaller. We all know, or you should know, if you take this and you go up and you have rounded corners, you can lock this or unlock this, and if you lock it, you can go 2-inch corners. Back up. If you unlock it, you could have a 2-inch corner on just one of them. But instead of having to go up here and unlock and lock, if you will grab your shape tool, and if you don't hold anything down, you get all 4 corners, and they're going to only go to the middle. But if you hold down the Control key, it will only do that one node you have. Now it is restricted to a quarter way up and a quarter way over, so it won't go past the inner node. So if you take this one and control it, you can only do that. Now if you want to go further, you could go 12 and change these to different references. But when you're using, let me back up here, when you're using the control button on the shape tool, it will only allow you, which is pretty cool, because if you wanted to do something like that and draw that shape right there really quick, you can do that. Now this also works with all the other shapes, the scallop and the chamfered. Let's go chamfered. Using the control button, it will only chamfer it as far as it can go, because it won't go past that. And that's pretty neat if you're building a house, and of course you'd build it like this if you were representing a house shape on a map or something. Anyway, it'll work with all of them, and you can actually change them after you've got them made to see what different designs you can look at. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.